In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert pictures and screenshots into an email using Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll be comfortable placing images exactly where you want them, sizing them neatly, and choosing the best method for full screen captures or quick clippings. First, let's add a picture from a file. Start by opening a new email, or reply or forward an existing message. If you're composing in the reading pane, pop the message out into its own window so you have the full ribbon and more space to work. Click in the message body where you want the image to appear. This tells Outlook precisely where to place it. Now go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Illustrations group, click Pictures. You'll see options like this device for files saved on your computer, stock images for built-in visuals and icons, and online pictures for web images and GIFs. Pick the source you want, browse to the file, select it, and click Insert. The image will drop right where your cursor was. To adjust the image, drag a corner handle to resize while keeping the proportions looking natural. If you'd like more control, right-click the picture to access formatting options. You can also use the picture tools that appear on the ribbon to apply quick styles, corrections, or effects. Aim for a size that's clear but not overwhelming. Large images can make messages harder to read and heavier to send. Now, let's insert a screenshot. Place your cursor in the email where you want the screenshot to go. Head back to the Insert tab, and in the Illustrations group, click Screenshot. You have two choices. Available windows shows thumbnails of open applications. Click one to insert a full screenshot instantly. This is perfect when you want to show an entire app window as is. If you only need a portion of your screen, choose Screen Clipping. Outlook will dim your screen so you can click and drag to select exactly the area you want. Release the mouse, and that selection drops into your message right where you place the cursor. Just like with pictures, you can fine-tune screenshots using the picture tools on the ribbon to resize or add subtle effects. Keep your screenshots focused and legible. If something is too small, resize it a bit or capture a tighter area so the details stand out. That's it. Thanks for watching.